Hello, everybody. Look at my cherry tree. It is almost bare. I'm about to get my nephew over here to help pick up all these leaves in the backyard. My tree, my blood orange tree, is drooping. You can see the lemons over there. Let me zoom you in. Can I zoom you in? Oh, it won't let me. Maybe I just got to get closer. All the lemons underneath there. Yeah, this tree, that branch fell. And I think I'm going to pick this and eat it later. The branch broke, and we'll have to pick all the lemons off of it. Get my nephew over here next weekend to do it. Whew, look at all them gray hairs. Anyway, this video is going to be for the Christmas holiday season. It's going to be a red, and it's not going to be green, but it's going to be cobalt blue, and it's going to be beautiful. I love those two colors. I love those two colors together. So let's make it a beautiful day. One moment. Here is the red. Here is the cobalt blue. This is a metallic, so it's going to come out really nice. So what I'm going to do, here's my orange I just picked. I'm going to go inside and cut it. So on this vase, this is a small vase. I believe this is like a little 9-inch vase. I am going to do a pour. So this video is not going to be too long. It'll be long enough. So since red is going to take over this color, over in the colors, I'm going to do the red just sparingly. Oh, these are kind of thick. And I know Tanita, and I'm probably messing your name up. Haynes told me put water in it, thicken them up. Yeah, I'm about to finish these containers and put them with my other ones and clean them all up. What have you guys plans for the holidays? Or even if you do celebrate Christmas, if you don't celebrate Christmas, what do you do? And probably nothing, huh? Yeah, I have a couple friends that are Jehovah's Witnesses, and they do not celebrate Christmas or the holidays at all, birthdays or anything. But, hold on 1 second. Yeah, as I said, my friends, they don't celebrate birthdays or holidays, but, I still remember their birthdays, even though they don't celebrate it. And I don't disrespect them and say, happy birthday. I just say a little prayer for them. That was my reminder that that I have to check into Southwest. Tomorrow I am leaving to go see my little monsters, and that's my reminder. You know how you got to check into Southwest to get a good boarding. They said they're going to change it. I think it's next year they're going to do it. Yeah, I think I have enough paint in this container. I probably can close these up. But if you do celebrate the holidays, what do you do? We celebrate it over here at the house where my studio is at. It's a bigger house, and we have family and friends come over. So I hadn't did it in a while with friends. My friends used to come over. In a few of my videos, I've mentioned that my friends have come over. Oh, my camera is crooked, ain't it? Is it crooked? Yeah, that they've come over for the Christmas holiday and spent it with us. So we wanted to do that again, to reach out to friends, to have them come over, because you just don't know when or what people are going through. You don't know if they have family that they they celebrated with, but they don't want to celebrate it with, and they want to come over and hang out with the groovy people, the cool people. That will be me. Um, but anyway, yeah, that's what we're doing. And we're going to have, I brought this thing that says, this little ball. I got it on Temu. I don't buy much on Temu, but I brought this little thing that was on Temu, and you roll it like you have a gift. And it says, exchange your gift with the person next to you, kind of like the white elephant game. And then it's on there, on one part on it says, exchange your gift with someone that wears glasses, or everybody take their gift and go to the left, one person to the left, so everybody has to rotate their gift. So I think that'll be fun. And also I have this cup game that I want to play, so I have to go and get these gifts to put inside of these cups, so that when people pop the balloon, oh, I don't like balloons, so maybe cover it up with some kind of paper, some wrapping paper, when they bust through the paper, that they can pull the gift out. But they have to pick a color. I might bring that gift up. I mean that game up a level and make them do something. I don't know. I've been thinking about it, but yeah, we like to play a lot of games during the holidays. And I think I just put paint on my shirt, my white shirt. Oh no, I hope I didn't. Anyway, let's pour. And I hope you that celebrate Christmas, I hope you have a very Merry Christmas, and that God and Santa Claus gives you all that your heart desires. Let's pour. Here's the red. I think that's enough paint. It's funny because I thought the paint was really thick, but it started pouring really thin. Come on, stay on there. I don't want to mess that up. Yeah, that red and this cobalt blue came out dark. Darky, dark, dark. Oh, I did see bubbles, but they popped. This is pretty. This is going to be part of my Just Two. Yes, it is. Just Two. That's pretty. Is that light blocking the color, making it dark? I don't think so. Well, I told you this video is going to be quick. And I am just going to take this color and this paint that's in this cup and scrape it to the sides so that it can flow over well. And let me know what food you guys cook. We're going to have gumbo. I just went to, we have a store here called Save Mart. They have snow crab on sale. And we have Dungeness and losing my train of thought, shrimp inside the freezer that I got when it was on sale. And we're going to put that in. And I have to get some sausages and I think that's it. Sausages, you know, and your regular onions and stuff that you put into it. But those are the main things. Oh, and some chicken. I brought chicken to put into it too. But let me know what you guys cook. And if y'all want to share recipes with me, y'all can send it to 2oldhags2 2@gmail.com. Remember, the 2 is the number 2. So the number 2, old hags with an S, 2@gmail.com. Yes, and I will put it in the description box too. But this is pretty. Let me bring you in. Yeah, just 2, my Christmas colors. There's the bottom. This is going to come out dark, but you know the metallic in here will just show out, especially when I spray it. Yeah, look at that. That's pretty. Let me make this smaller so it'll be easier for me to handle. Sorry. Yeah, that side came out dark, but that's okay. Yeah, that cobalt blue looking pretty. Okay, let's do the paint. I'm gonna let it drip for a little bit and then I'll come back. Well, here we go. I want to hurry up and do it because I want to tilt that off because I want to keep a lot of this cobalt color here. So I'm going to bring it all the way to the side and come off that side and stretch it. Kind of turned it kind of purple, huh? You know, I ain't mad. Let me grab a spoon. Yeah, these colors made a dark purple. And keep that red. Oh yeah, that's pretty. That's pretty. Fix the sides up. Yeah, that's pretty. I done changed my gloves twice. I'm not going to change them again. I'm just going to wipe it on the table. One moment. Yeah, that's pretty. Ooh-wee. Look how that metallic shows out there. Wow. You know, this could be a lot of things. My mind is going. But I hope that it stays that. Because that looks like a volcano. Look at. This is a volcano. Look at it's pouring down. And look at it's just bursting with the colors coming out of it. And then the red coming out of the real fiery part. Y'all know y'all see that. Well, I thank you. I appreciate you. I see something right there. Hold up. Y'all gonna follow me. Live before your eyes. I gotta get this little. Is it a boogie? Yep. I could have did it afterward, huh? But come on. Uh-oh, it's not coming. There we go. Well, now I gotta fix that. Live before your eyes. Well, I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. Deuces. Again, Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Love you.